You think you know space, stars, planets, galaxies, black holes. But somewhere out there, right now, is a star older than time itself. Somewhere out there is a place where entire galaxies simply disappeared. And somewhere out there is a force so powerful it's pulling our own galaxy toward it, and nobody knows what it is. By the end of this video, you'll have seen the 10 most horrifying places astronomers have ever found, real places, real science, real mysteries no one has solved. And number 10 might be the closest thing the universe has to a real cosmic nightmare. Let's begin. 10 HD 140283, the star that shouldn't exist. Imagine finding a person older than the Earth itself. Impossible, right? Well, astronomers may have discovered a star that appears older than the universe. Meet HD 140283, also known as the Methuselah star. Current estimates place its age at roughly 14.5 billion years old. There's just one problem. The universe itself is only 13.8 billion years old. How can a star be older than the universe that created it? Scientists have spent years refining measurements, but the paradox refuses to disappear completely. Either our calculations are wrong, or there's something about the early universe we still don't understand. And if a single star can break our understanding of time, wait until you see a place that may connect to another universe. 9. The cold spot. Evidence of another universe? In 2004, scientists discovered something disturbing. A giant cold region hidden within the oldest light in the universe. It's known as the cosmic microwave background cold spot, and it's enormous, nearly 2 billion light-years across. At first, astronomers assumed it was a measurement error. It wasn't. Then they thought it might be a giant void in space. That explanation didn't fully work either. Today, one of the most viral theories suggests something extraordinary. The cold spot may be the scar left behind by a collision with another universe. Imagine that. Evidence that our universe may not be alone. Terrifying? Maybe. But the next place is far closer to home. 8. The South Atlantic Anomaly, Earth's Bermuda Triangle of space. Most people think space becomes dangerous once you leave Earth. But one of the strangest regions begins only a few hundred miles above our heads. The South Atlantic Anomaly, often called the Bermuda Triangle of space. This massive weakness in Earth's magnetic field stretches across South America and the South Atlantic Ocean. Whenever satellites pass through it, electronics malfunction, computers reset, sensors fail. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station have reported equipment disruptions while crossing this region. Scientists know it exists, but they still don't completely understand why Earth's magnetic shield is weakening here, and some measurements suggest it's growing. If Earth's protective magnetic field continues changing, the consequences could affect technology around the entire planet. 7. The local void, the cosmic dead zone. Imagine discovering that your entire galaxy is drifting away from something, not toward it, away from it. That's exactly what's happening. The Milky Way sits near a gigantic region called the local void, a vast area roughly 150 million light-years across containing surprisingly little matter. It's one of the emptiest known regions near our galaxy. Scientists believe this cosmic dead zone is so empty that it's literally pushing nearby galaxies away, including us. Nobody knows exactly why it's so empty, or what removed so much matter from this region. But the deeper astronomers look, the stranger it becomes. 6. The Fermi Bubbles, the galactic explosion. Nobody saw. In 2010, scientists made a shocking discovery. Towering above and below the Milky Way's center were two gigantic structures, each stretching roughly 25,000 light-years. Together, they're known as the Fermi Bubbles, massive gamma-ray emitting clouds extending far beyond our galaxy's core. The terrifying part? Nobody saw them being created. Something enormous happened in the center of our galaxy millions of years ago, a supermassive explosion, or perhaps an ancient feeding frenzy from Sagittarius A star. Whatever caused them released unimaginable energy. and scientists still debate what actually happened. 5. The Boötes void, where entire galaxies vanished. What if there was a place in space where galaxies simply disappeared? Welcome to the Boötes void, a region over 330 million light-years wide. Based on current models, thousands of galaxies should exist here. Instead, astronomers found almost nothing. For decades, researchers have struggled to explain why such a massive region appears nearly empty, and that's where the internet's favorite theory begins. Some believe something consumed the galaxies that once existed there. Others think the void may reveal flaws in our understanding of cosmic evolution, whatever the explanation. Standing inside this immense darkness would be like floating through a universe that has already died. 4. The Great Attractor. Something is pulling us. Right now, our galaxy is moving towards something enormous, something invisible, something scientists still can't fully identify. Known as the Great Attractor, this mysterious gravitational anomaly is pulling the Milky Way and thousands of neighboring galaxies toward a hidden region of space. The force is so powerful that entire galaxy clusters are falling toward it. Yet much of the region remains obscured behind dense cosmic matter. We know it's there, we know it's massive, but we still don't know exactly what it is, and that's what makes it terrifying. 3. Sagittarius A star. Is it even a black hole? At the center of our galaxy lies Sagittarius A star, officially classified as a supermassive black hole, but recent debates have reignited one shocking question. What if it isn't? Some researchers have explored alternative possibilities. Could it be an exotic dark matter object, a dense cluster of unknown particles, or something entirely new? While most evidence still points toward a black hole, the discussion reveals something unsettling. Even the object at the center of our own galaxy remains partially mysterious, and if we still don't fully understand the heart of the Milky Way, what hope do we have of understanding the monsters that come next? 2. Phoenix A, the black hole. That may be bigger than TON 618. For years, TON 618 held the crown, the ultimate giant, the king of black holes. Then astronomers started looking at Phoenix A. Some estimates suggest the black hole inside Phoenix A may exceed 100 billion solar masses. If true, it would be one of the most massive black holes ever identified. Its gravity would dominate an entire region of space. Its event horizon would dwarf our solar system. And yet scientists are still trying to determine its true size. If these estimates hold up, TON 618 may no longer be the biggest monster in the universe, but even Phoenix A cannot match the fame of number 1. 1. TON 618, the ultimate cosmic nightmare. This is it, the most terrifying place on our list. TON 618, the black hole that dominates almost every viral space documentary, and for good reason. Its mass is estimated at approximately 66 billion suns. Think about that. Every planet, every asteroid, every moon, every object in our solar system would be insignificant compared to this monster. Its event horizon stretches across distances so vast that light itself cannot escape. Cross the boundary, and there is no return, no message, no signal, no future. TON 618 is where our understanding of physics begins to collapse. A place where gravity becomes so powerful that space and time themselves are distorted beyond recognition. If there is a real-life cosmic abyss, this is it. The universe is far stranger than most people realize. An impossible star older than time. A cold scar that may point to another universe. Invisible forces pulling galaxies through space. And black holes so massive they challenge human imagination. But here's the most terrifying thought of all. Everything you've seen today was discovered by looking at only a tiny fraction of the observable universe, meaning the greatest horrors of space may still be waiting to be found. So tell me in the comments, which location terrified you the most? TON 618, the Great Attractor, or the cold spot? And if you enjoyed this journey into the darkest corners of the cosmos, subscribe now. Because the universe still has secrets, and we're just getting started.